Good morning, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2008 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 2-door 5-speed manual. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood. As you can see, I unlatched them so I'm not struggling later. But we'll take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. We'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. And as you can see, it is the hardtop, aftermarket wheels and tires, matching 5th tire there, tow pack, running boards. Be down here on tire size here in just a moment. Sitting in a pothole here. Hopefully size of the tires in there. We'll get to the inside condition and features here in just a second. Alright, let's take a look on the inside here. So we got power locks, we got power windows. Let's get the condition of the seats. A little bit of wear on the seats. I'm sure they're waiting for the vendor to come in and do some repairs, so keep that in mind. But if you have any questions, just give us a call or a text and somebody can shoot over photos of the seats after they're done, if that's something that you're interested in. Sound bar up there. Let's put that seat back. Sorry about that, guys. Whoops. Alright, let's get some features up front. We got the tweeters there. Cruise control there. As you can see, really low miles for the year. Stock stereo. Windows, power windows. Four-wheel drive. And then again the manual. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before I turn it over. We did just get this one in a little while ago, so keep that in mind. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can. Chances are if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things. So keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. Alright. Let's push in the clutch, put the foot on the brake, turn it over. Let's go back to the miles there, mileage there. A little low on a tire. But like I said, we did just get this one in, so just give us a call or a text. So this is a really clean 2-door. A lot of folks like these for towing behind their RV or those kind of things. So I just wanted to get it out there. There it is, purring along beautifully. I'll turn on some lights here for you. See what it looks like with the lights on. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take extra photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. See you next time.